A 20-year-old male of Vavai village, Falealili, is recovering at the Motootua National Hospital after an emergency operation to remove a fishing spear that lodged between the left side of his mouth and came out through the back of his head. It's alleged the victim and another person were playing with the spear gun when he accidentally fired and caught him on the neck. The combined surgical team at the Tupua Tamasese Mea Ole Hospital and a Chinese medical team successfully removed the spear and saved the young man's life. The hospital did not inform police of the incident, and the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Papali Mona Lisa Keti, said they are investigating the incident following media inquiries. It is the second accident within the week that the hospital failed to inform the police. The first incident was the death of a 13-year-old college girl who died after she slipped and hit her head on a hard object at school last Friday. The doctor on duty signed the girl's death certificate without waiting for the coroner's decision whether to conduct a postmortem or not. In a separate accident that took the life of a young person in the weekend, a 15-year-old boy of Amaile village died when he was electrocuted in the weekend. Reports from the village said the boy went to plug in an extension light for a village event at night when he was electrocuted.